Okay, this is audio for Twisted Cinderella. I hope you guys like it. He told me that he'd never leave me for anybody else. But I was wrong again, I was wrong again. How could I lie to myself? I never had a chance with you, and you really knew that too. So why do you come around telling me that you love me when you never did? So I'm not gonna fill my head with fairy tales about those princesses, waiting for the prince to save them. When Sister Cinderella was one of them, you never told me what you felt inside. So why should I hide away? Told me that you always loved me, but did he really love me? No, it's just what I wanted to hear. I thought I should move on and I tried, but it hurt really deep down inside. It's something that you moved on so fast. So I guess all those princesses had their fairy tale endings while I'm still suffering inside. Well, I'm not gonna be your twisted Cinderella. And she can't forget all the stories of a fella. So he's gonna climb up that tower and he's gonna promise her his world, what he can't deliver to her. And he's gonna tell her that he loves her, but does he know what he wants? Or does he think that he knows what he loves is you? 'Cause if he knew it's true, it wouldn't hurt you like he do. So I guess all the fairy tale princesses is real. They've got their end in happiness and it's already real. But do they know what it's like to be the twisted Cinderella?